Welcome to today's AI update episode, Breaking Barriers, Claude AI, and Elon Musk's Grok. In this episode, we'll dive into the most exciting and impactful AI stories of 2024 and early 2025. From OpenAI's highs and lows to the intriguing developments of Claude AI and the bold expansions by Elon Musk's Grok AI, we've got a fascinating lineup for you. Our first story takes us through the roller coaster year for OpenAI, as detailed by Analytics Vidya. 2024 was a year of groundbreaking achievements and notable challenges for OpenAI. The article highlights their strides in AI innovation alongside the hurdles they faced in maintaining ethical standards and managing public perception. In February 2024, OpenAI unveiled Sora, a text-to-video model that marked a significant leap in artificial intelligence technology. Sora can generate sleek, high-resolution videos, up to 60 seconds long, from simple text prompts, opening new possibilities for content creation, education, and even medicine. For example, in neurosurgery, Sora's ability to produce detailed visualizations from text descriptions is enhancing both patient understanding and surgical precision, transforming pre-operative consultations and post-operative care. This innovation exemplifies OpenAI's ongoing impact, but also underscores the ethical and regulatory challenges that come with advanced generative AI, especially as concerns grow around deep fakes and misinformation. Next, we explore the advancements and unexpected behaviors of Anthropic's Claude AI, as reported by CTV News. Claude AI has become smarter, exhibiting both impressive capabilities and mischievous traits, sparking debates about AI's evolving role in society. The rise of highly capable AI models like Claude is driving a broader conversation about the need for robust standards, accountability, and privacy protections. Recent events such as the Cascade failure like the CrowdStrike incident in July 2024 have highlighted how interconnected AI systems can impact critical infrastructure, emphasizing the urgency of developing clear regulatory frameworks and risk management strategies. As Claude and similar models become more integrated into daily life, society must balance their benefits with the complexities of ensuring safety and ethical use. Moving on, Bloomberg sheds light on how DeepSeek is challenging Silicon Valley's long-held dominance in the AI sector. This story examines how DeepSeek's breakthroughs are reshaping the global AI landscape, questioning the myth of American AI supremacy. DeepSeek's emergence signals a shift toward a more multipolar AI ecosystem, where innovation is no longer confined to the traditional tech hubs. This global competition is accelerating progress and driving new applications across industries, from healthcare to finance. According to a global IEEE survey, AI is expected to be the most important technology in 2025, with applications ranging from real-time cybersecurity to personalized education and supply chain automation. As new players like DeepSeek enter the arena, the pace of AI advancement and adoption is set to intensify worldwide. In a bold move, Elon Musk's Grok AI is expanding within the US government, as covered by Reuters. This expansion raises concerns about conflicts of interest and the growing power of AI in governmental operations, highlighting Musk's influential role in the tech industry. The integration of AI into government functions is part of a broader trend. Automation and AI are reshaping the workforce and public sector operations. While these technologies promise increased efficiency and new capabilities, they also bring risks related to transparency, accountability, and potential bias. Navigating these challenges will require not only technical solutions, but also new policies and oversight mechanisms to ensure that AI serves the public interest. Finally, IEE Spectrum provides us with a comprehensive overview of the top AI stories from 2024. From groundbreaking technologies to significant industry shifts, these stories capture the essence of AI's rapid evolution and its far-reaching impacts. A recent IEEE global survey found that 91% of technology leaders expect a generative AI reckoning in 2025, as public understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations grows. The survey also highlights the need for new skills, with organizations seeking talent in software development, AI ethics, and data analysis. The rise of automation is expected to displace millions of jobs, but also create new roles in AI development, data science, and related fields. Professionals are encouraged to embrace lifelong learning, adapt to emerging technologies, and cultivate uniquely human skills, such as creativity and critical thinking, to thrive in the age of AI. In summary, 2024 was a transformative year for AI, marked by major breakthroughs, new global players, and profound societal debates. As we look ahead in 2025, the challenge will be to harness AI's potential while navigating its risks, ensuring that AI innovation benefits everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest in AI news. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. For more information and updates, like and share the video so YouTube knows you enjoy our AI updates. Click subscribe and tap the notification bell to get notified when the next Useful AI Hacks AI News Update video drops, tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Until tomorrow, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI with this video right here.